Hello students, welcome back again to the math class of standard 5, chapter number 13, ways to multiply and divide. Let us continue with the topic Kamalabai's story. Here is given Kamalabai's story. To help farmers, the cooperative organizations gave cows. Kamalabai Gude also got a cow. The cost of the cow was rupees 17,500. And she had to pay rupees 5,500, and the cooperative organization spent the rest of the money. Now here is given question: how much did the cooperative organization spend on the cow? Cost of the cow is equal to rupees 17,500 and Kamalabai paid rupees 5,500. So if we subtract 5,500 from 17,500, we will get 12,000. So cooperative organization paid rupees 12,000. Now let us move on to the next question. If 9 people from her village got cows, how much did the cooperative organization spend in all? So let us find out. The cooperative organization spent for one cow is equal to rupees 12,000. So the cooperative organization spent for 9 cows is equal to 9 multiply with rupees 12,000. So 12 nines are 108 and 3 0. So 1 lakh. Let us move on to the next question. Rupees 1 lakh 8,000. So the cooperative organization spent for 9 cow is equal to rupees 1 lakh 8,000. Kamalabai had to spend rupees 185 every day on the cow. She made some money by selling the milk. So here, if Kamalabai spends rupees 185 a day, find out how much she will spend in 1 month. And the cow gives 8 liters of milk every day. How much will it give in 1 month? So first let us find out in 1 month spent by Kamalabai, and then we will find out the milk given by cow. Here money spent in 1 day is equal to rupees 185. So money spent in 30 days is equal to 30 multiply with rupees 185. If we multiply, we will get the product rupees 5,550. So money spent in 1 month is equal to rupees 5,550. Now cow give milk in 1 day is equal to 8 liters. So milk in 30 days is equal to 30 into 8. So 3 8s are 24 and here 1 0. So 240 liter milk. Here is question: if the milk is sold at rupees 39 per liter, how much money will Kamalabai make in 1 month? So let us find out how much money will she make in 1 month. Here price of 1 liter milk is rupees 39. So price of 240 liter milk is equal to 240 multiply with rupees 39, because the price of 1 liter milk is rupees 39. So 240 liter multiply with rupees 39. When we multiply this, we will get rupees 9,360 as the product. So this is the earning from the milk. Now what is the difference between earning and money spent? So earning is rupees 9,360 and money spent, that we have also found out just here. Here money spent in 30 days. So money spent in 1 month is rupees 5,550. If we subtract this, we will get 3,810 rupees. So the money spent on keeping the cow was rupees 5,550, and money earned by selling the milk is rupees 9,360. Which is more, money spent on the cow or money earned from it? How much? So money earned by selling the milk is more than money spent on keeping the cow. How much that we have found out? Rupees 3,810. Now let us move on to the next page, number 177. Here is given practice time. So student, you try yourself, practice this all the questions, and solution for all these questions I will provide you in the PDF file. So you can check your answer from that, and you can solve your doubt also. So student, here is the end of the session. I hope you have understood these solutions. So practice for all this sum, and other question we will solve in the next coming video. Thank you.